everybody, I'm doing an unboxing. Well, I actually unboxed it already, but I wanted to show you what I got. I ordered some Italian Yaki synthetic hair from Amazon, and it's 18 inches, and the only thing that I've done with it is I co-washed it with fabric softener, let it sit for about 5 hours before rinsing it out, letting it drip dry. But let me show you what comes with it. It comes with this little card, and it says, "If you do not like me, please do not cut my lace and keep me in original condition, and contact the people who sold it to you." So that's cool that they have a return policy. There it is. And then also on the back it says, "How do you feel for your purchase experience with Kairasima store?" Well, obviously somebody who has English as a second language wrote this, but it's still a cute little card. You also get a wig cap. I was hoping for some false eyelashes or something, but oh well. And then it comes in this pretty little black bag. And in the Amazon package. I'm not going to show you the other side because that's my address. Okay, here's the wig. It is big and it is thick. And this is after me letting it sit in the sink. Now, another customer said that she used fabric softener and it really waved up. Well, mine isn't really wavy. It does have a little bit of small waves. Can you see? But overall, it's still very, very kinky and straight, and it looks like our hair. At least it looks like my hair, except longer and thicker. Okay, so this is the wig. Here's the top. Okay, so it does have brown lace. Someone else said it had black lace, but no, it's dark brown lace. So here's the inside of the cap. So that's the parting space, which is about 2.5 inches. And you'll have to put some concealer on there and then cut the lace. And it comes with 2 combs on the side and 1 on the back. And then these bra straps, people call them, to tighten the wig. I might do the elastic across the top. Because I don't keep my wigs on 24/7. I take them off when I get in the house. But here's the inside of the wig. Okay, so plenty of hair for those of you who love big hair, and apparently it does straighten out and get thinner if you use a straightening comb. And they said you shouldn't go past 330 degrees. So, okay, so this is the unboxing. Once I get it to my liking, cut off the lace, pluck the part a little bit, or I might, you know what, this might not be the type of hair that you need to show part anyways. I'll think about it. And then I'm going to straighten it so it's not so thick. And then I'll do another review of me wearing the wig. Okay, hopefully it's answered all your questions. I think it's excellent quality. It feels like real hair. It looks like real hair. And it was under $40. What more can you ask for? Okay, thank you.